Welcome. I want to freeze the last frame of this video of this tool chest that I built. I want to freeze it at the end and let it basically remain in the last frame for as long as I want. It might be a few seconds, it might be up to a minute, because I want to have other pieces of text pop in here and draw lines to the attributes of this. Maybe say red oak over here, or 7 drawers, labels, maybe put the dimensions on here at the end. When I shot the video, I left, you see how it rotates here? I left a little bit at the end so it would kind of sit there, but I didn't want to leave my camera on forever. So what we're going to do is, with this layer selected, we're going to freeze frame the last frame in here. I'm going to select the layer, go up under Layer to Time, and go to Freeze on Last Frame. And you will see that that adds a whole bunch of time out here. And basically, it will freeze it on that last frame, and it will stay that way for as long as I want. I can grab my end and extend it out, or I can reduce the time that it stays and have complete adjustment over this on that layer. So that's it. Pretty simple process. Thank you.